When it comes to spreading fertiliser, there are two ways to choose from. If you're a farmer or a grower that does your own spreading, you may already have the equipment you like to use. You may like self-spreading, using a spreader towed behind a quad bike or your tractor, or instead you might like using a contractor. No matter which way you usually do it, digital tools can make it a whole lot easier. If you use a tow behind, 3-point linkage bin, or even a tow and fert, you don't have to stop. This technology is designed to be able to be added to things you already use, not replace it. In fact, it adds things like GPS screening, which shows you the right place to put the fertiliser, and they can be added to any towing vehicle. These tools even help with making sure you apply the right amount and accurately report what you're doing in real time. They also show you the data on a farm map, which makes farm management easier. There are different options. The basic one is tablet-based and gives you maps and recording, but does not control the gear that is spreading your fertiliser. If you want machine control, you will need a more advanced option. This one comes with in-cab screen with GPS and controls the bins and makes sure the right amount of fertiliser is spread. Going digital with GPS means saving money, as it makes sure you don't waste product. You can also add auto steer, which helps with accuracy and safety while minimising your workload. Machine control is helpful at considering soil fertility and crop needs, putting product in the best place for growth. The tools make maps based on your history, so you can make plans based on the best areas for your crop. Your records will also be digital, stopping you having to guess that information, meaning your next decision will be based on facts and make sure you have the right data for compliance and audits. When you're ready to explore digital solutions, it's important to do your own research and know what you need. If you want an entry-level tablet system without machine control, a good place to look at is precision farming. Some companies offer both basic and advanced options, so it's a good idea to talk with them and figure out which one would work with your current gear. Companies like Topcorn, Trimble, John Deere and Ag Leader are common New Zealand brands that offer this. If you don't need machine control and you want to subscribe to a company that partners with suppliers for this, then TrackMac is well known for its guidance systems. It's always good to talk to farmers in your area about their suppliers, or to read reviews from real customers to find out how user-friendly their systems are.